Big moves only. Freeman HKD embarks on a new chapter with Virgin Music Group Africa. The music world is buzzing. Zimdancehall and Afropop star, Freeman HKD, has officially leveled up his career in a massive way, announcing his new partnership with Virgin Music Group Africa. This isn't just another signing. It's a declaration of intent, a major strategic move that the artist himself has rightly dubbed a new chapter in his already illustrious musical journey. The self-proclaimed Dr. We Magitaire, Doctor of Guitars, has consistently broken barriers in the Zimbabwean music scene. Now, by joining forces with a global powerhouse like Virgin Music Group, Universal Music Group's independent artist and label services arm, Freeman HKD is strategically positioning himself for unprecedented international success. The significance of the big move. Virgin Music Group has rapidly expanded its footprint across the African continent, dedicated to providing premium, flexible services to the region's most dynamic independent talent. For an artist of Freeman HKD's stature, this partnership unlocks a wealth of opportunities that were previously unattainable. 1. Global distribution and reach. The biggest game changer is undoubtedly the access to Virgin Music's worldwide distribution network. For years, African artists have battled to get their music onto global streaming platforms and into international markets. This deal bypasses those hurdles, ensuring Freeman's music is not only available but actively promoted across a vast global network, from North America and Europe to Asia and beyond. This means more fans listening to Zimdancehall, more streams, and a solidified position for the genre on the global stage. 2. World-class marketing and resources. Signing with a global entity brings in expertise and resources that are game-changing for an independent artist. Virgin Music Group Africa offers tailor-made marketing strategies, professional, data-driven promotional campaigns designed to target new, international audiences. Best-in-class services. This includes specialized support in areas like sync licensing, branding, digital marketing, and radio promotion, services that can transform a regional star into an international icon. Mentorship and infrastructure. Access to the knowledge and infrastructure of one of the world's leading music companies, offering long-term opportunities for career development. 3. Increased visibility and industry influence. Being on the Virgin Music Group roster puts Freeman HKD in the company of global artists and strengthens the industry's focus on Zimbabwean music. It sends a clear signal that the quality and commercial viability of his sound are recognized by major players. This visibility is crucial for securing international collaborations, touring opportunities, and brand partnerships. A new chapter for African music. Freeman HKD's move is not just a win for him, it's a monumental moment for the wider Southern African music industry. It highlights the growing global interest in African sounds and reinforces the idea that local talent can, and will, achieve international breakthroughs with the right partnerships. As he steps into this new chapter, Freeman HKD is perfectly poised to take his unique sound to the world. We look forward to witnessing the big moves only artist leverage this incredible opportunity to further elevate his craft and solidify his legacy as one of Africa's leading musical exports. Virgin Music Group deals are distribution focused. They provide global marketing, promotion, and streaming access for independent artists, who retain master ownership and more control than traditional labels. Artists share revenue, often 80-20 split favoring them. Pros. Broader reach, resources. Without full creative loss. Cons. Commission fees, potential over-reliance on label support. Examples of benefiting African artists. Naledi Afiwe, SAW, gained wider exposure post-2025 signing. St. Flahu, Zimbabwe, expanded globally via 2024 partnership. Ghana's Joey B accessed international platforms through recent deals. Congratulations to the HKD boss on this well-deserved milestone. The world is ready to dance to the new beat.